Hello everyone, welcome to the EnDo Strategy Historical Cycle Series. Cycle number 8. This cycle officially begins on the day we closed the positions from the previous cycle and secured the profits. According to the rules, we waited for a pullback movement to occur. By the time the pullback was identified, a bullish daily candle had already formed. Therefore, according to rule number 2, we opened position 1 using half of the total account balance, while placing the stop loss according to rule number 1. After that, the market moved upward. Since the market continued rising, we once again waited for another pullback movement, because position 2 would only be opened after a pullback formed. Eventually, a pullback movement occurred. Since a pullback had formed, we then waited for a bullish daily candle. Once the bullish daily candle closed, we opened position 2 using the remaining half of the account balance according to rule number 2, while placing the stop loss according to rule number 1. However, the market continued declining, and position 2 was closed after the stop loss was hit. According to the rules, once another bullish daily candle closed, we reopened position 2 using the same principle. The market then moved upward. At this point, both positions had already been opened using the full account balance, so we simply observed the market without waiting for another pullback entry. If the market moved downward and hit the stop loss, we would reopen the position again according to the rules. If the market continued rising, we would hold the positions until the target was reached. As the market moved downward, the stop loss for position 2 was hit and the position was closed. According to the rules, we reopened position 2 as soon as another bullish daily candle appeared. But the stop loss was hit once again, causing the position to close another time. Even so, another bullish daily candle formed afterward. According to rule number 2, we once again opened position 2 using the remaining half of the account balance, while placing the stop loss according to rule number 1. After that, the market continued rising, recovering the losses caused by the previous stop losses and eventually reaching a profit equal to 15% of the balance at the beginning of the cycle. Therefore, according to rule number 5, we closed both positions and secured the profits, bringing this cycle to an end. Please take a look at the results of this cycle. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.